Sometimes it's better to be late than never, and with the electric pickup truck market continuing to heat up, it looks as if Ram is finally ready to bring the fight to Ford and GM. I'm at the 2023 Consumer Electronics Show, and this right here is the 2024 Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept. Let's take a first look. So what you're looking at there is actually the very first pass-through that you're going to find in the front of any electric pickup truck. It allows the Ram 1500 Revolution concept to be able to put items up to 18 feet long with the bed closed, which we'll talk about later when we get to the rear of the vehicle. But because I have the front open here, I want to show you guys just how much space it actually has. It looks like it has power outlets in there, and it also has a really nice LED lighting accent to really, again, show you the modern feel of the front and just how much space it has. And while we're underneath here, this is where I'd like to start talking about the powertrain specs. However, Ram wasn't quite ready to actually talk about how much range this vehicle has or what the horsepower and torque is going to be, but because this is built off of the 800 volt architecture, they did claim that it is going to be able to accept a maximum of 350 kilowatts on a DC fast charger. That should basically allow you to add up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. And they also said that all of the Ram 1500 models will come with dual electric motors as standard. Now, technically, because this is a concept car, it doesn't really have a model year just yet, but they did promise that a production version of this truck is coming later this year, and you can expect to be able to purchase one sometime in 2024. Ram also mentioned that they left a lot of space within the structure to be able to fit larger motors whenever they decide to do a performance variant. So that's something that for those of you who have like a Ram TRX, for example, you might be wanting to keep your eye on something like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the styling, because this is supposed to showcase the future of Ram trucks, and it has a lot of new details here that really make this thing stand out. I mean, when you're late to the party, you really want to make a big splash, and I think Ram did an excellent job. You can see here this new animated Ram badge where it lights up. It really, again, gives this truck a big presence. And then you also have this kind of new headlight design. Ram calls it a tuning fork headlight, and these are, again, animated headlights. It has the signature 3 accented amber lights to showcase just how wide the truck is. Again, I don't technically have final specs on the dimensions of the truck, but it is built on their new STLA frame, body-on-frame chassis. So it's a bespoke platform that's designed to accommodate an electric-only vehicle. So that's something to keep in mind when you guys are looking at the specs of this vehicle. But let's go ahead and hop around the side, because looking at the styling from this angle, you can see the Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept really has an amazing presence to it. Now, I want to remind you guys, this is still a concept vehicle. So features like, for example, the 24-inch wheels on this particular model here probably won't make it to production, but you can see here with these tires, really gives this truck an amazing stance. I also noticed a couple of things here. The Ram badge also lights up on the side, again, giving it a really interesting modern feel. And then these side mirrors here integrate a camera to show what's in your actual view. That is technically still not street legal here in the US, so I suspect we're going to have a standard side mirror whenever this vehicle decides to come out with the full production version. And then the charge port door you can see is also located right here. Remember, this can accept up to 350 kilowatts, which again would put it in the same league as the GM trucks, which also run on the 800 volt architecture. That's something that the F-150 still lacks because it runs on the older 400 volt system. Now, you're also probably noticing a couple of elements here. This is a frameless door here. There's no B-pillar here, which allows the doors to open like a grand saloon style. It really adds to an open and airy cabin design. Then you can see here there's also a big panoramic glass roof, which I suspect some version of it should make it to production, but again, that's all speculation. This is still a very early concept car. And then there's also an interesting feature in here that goes back to the frunk that actually opens. There's a power midgate in the back here that again allows you to kind of put items through the cabin into the frunk, which again, when you have the tailgate closed, it allows you to fit items up to 18 feet long with that tailgate closed. Now, looking at the rear, you can see the design kind of carries over from the front, where you have that new Ram badge here that's active in terms of the lighting. There's this kind of interesting LED light signature, which really reminds me again of no other Ram vehicle. It kind of, to me, has some styling cues taken from perhaps Rivian with the rear. It's a really interesting design. You can see the tailgate also has kind of a split design as well. There's going to be power outlets in there, and Ram is basically going to be targeting best-in-class range, best-in-class charging, and best-in-class towing capability whenever the production version decides to come out. So here's what it looks like with the tailgate down. As you can see, there is a ton of space in here, but I also remind you guys this is a concept car. Now, the midgate, it is supposed to open. This one here does not, so I can't show you guys that, but you can see there's a lot of tie downs. There's also some power outlets here. And I suspect that when this car does show the production version, it's going to offer one of the largest beds in the segment. So before we move into the interior, I want to show you guys what I meant by grand saloon style opening doors. It's almost like a suicide style door, like on a Rolls Royce, because there's no B-pillar here. It really creates that open and airy feel and makes this interior feel a lot roomier. I mean, it is a very roomy interior, and I have to say, very futuristic, which again, this is going to be showcasing the future of the Ram Trucks brand, and the Stellantis is a move forward to the year 2030, where they're going to be the leaders in electrification and mobility. And this interior, even though it's a concept car, a lot of what you're seeing here is going to be making it to production. So looking at the dash design here, you can see it has that same kind of design from the headlights and the taillights with this illuminated LED lighting. You have really beautiful stitched materials. And then the centerpiece here are two massive 14-inch touchscreens. Now, these screens are adjustable in the sense that you can adjust the angle of the screens to kind of create one large 28-inch display. This bottom screen, you can also adjust it to where it slides up into the dash and lines up with the dash cut line over here to show smaller information. And this is also going to be showcasing their next generation UI. They're calling it Stella Brain. It's going to be, again, an even more impressive system versus Uconnect 5. And it'll also offer some really cool artificial intelligent features, including something that they're calling shadow mode, which means if you're standing outside the vehicle, you can actually talk to the Ram truck and it will actually follow you along the job site, which is supposed to be useful if you're like collecting tools, and the truck will just kind of follow you around. I haven't seen it in person, but it is going to be a really interesting and nifty system. Of course, the rest of this interior, you can see this is a bespoke concept. So you have this unique steering wheel with a flat bottom top and a flat bottom design. This truck will also eventually offer level 3 hands-free driving, to where apparently when you have the system engaged, the steering wheel will actually fold out of the way and it'll self-drive itself hands-free with the wheel not in its position, which again is kind of frightening for me to hear. But again, this is all kind of next generation technology stuff. And then the interesting part, however, is going to happen when we go into the back seats, because the back seat of this truck is going to offer a first in the segment third row jump seat. Now, first of all, what you're seeing here are captain's chairs. Ram tells me that this will actually make it to production at some point, where you'll probably have a center console here along with these two captain's chairs. But the third row back here is going to be able to accommodate 2 more people, so think up to 7 passenger seating. It'll have this little jump seat that folds down that allows you again to put smaller passengers back here in a pinch, which we've never seen anything like this before. So it's really impressive to see Ram kind of utilizing the space here of their new STLA platform. Above me, you can see here there's this really, really intricate glass panel that has LED lighting. I suspect this is not going to make it to production, especially the fact that it connects to the actual windshield, kind of like the Tesla Model X. But the fact that they were able to do something like this and take most of the design cues into the production truck really kind of shows me that Ram did their homework. They were looking very closely at what Ford and GM are doing with their electric trucks, and they wanted to do something better. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing when the final production truck is shown sometime later this year. So when you're late to the party, you have to make a big splash, and after spending some time seeing the brand new Ram 1500 Revolution, I have to say the company has decided to do a huge cannonball into the deep end in the market of electric pickup trucks. This Ram 1500 has a design that really stands out. It'll probably make vehicles like the Rivian R1T seem invisible. It has an interior that's full of technology that's probably enough for 3 trucks, which is a good thing because it is, again, showcasing the future of the Ram brand. And once the company is ready to share final figures for range and power, I suspect it's going to be near the top of the class. I love the fact that it is running on the 800 volt architecture, because it will give us that ability to DC fast charge, which I suspect this truck will have a massive battery pack. Now, if you guys are looking to get your hands on the Ram 1500 Revolution, this is still a concept, but Ram has assured me that they will be showcasing a production version of the truck sometime later this year with delivery is going to be starting sometime in 2024. They haven't specified when, but the timing of the truck is going to obviously be important. I suspect for those of you who are interested in a new electric pickup truck, this should easily make it to the very top of your list. But with all that said, hope you guys have enjoyed my full overview on the Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept. If you're also looking to see the latest cars I'm testing, be sure to follow me on Instagram at redline_reviews, like us on Facebook, and as always guys, please be sure to keep subscribing to the Redline Reviews YouTube channel for all the latest reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.